Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Good morning. You're actually going to see some wet roads out there and not icy roads this morning. Temperatures close to 50 in some spots. Now, when you do get some of that water on the roads at this time in the morning, some of that water goes up into the atmosphere just at the surface and creates some patches of dense fog. So just use caution this morning. You can see right now from these reports, visibility actually not too bad between about 7 and 10 miles. Where visibility really becomes an issue is when it gets below about a mile or even below a quarter of a mile. We are seeing that in spots this morning, but those spots just kind of in between all these observations. So just use some caution for the next several hours. By 9, 10 in the morning, we should get rid of most of that fog. Outside we go to the capital city. It's certainly a mild morning. 42 right now, your temperature. Winds are out of the south at 5 miles an hour. 47 right now, our reading coming in from South Bay Retirement Living in South Kingstown. Other temperatures checking in, 43 from Emerald Bay Retirement Living in Cumberland. Satellite pictures showing some showers moving in from the west, and for the most part we keep these away today. A few of these showers, and you can see a few right now approaching upstate New York, a few of these could survive the trip into southern New England, giving us a slight chance of a shower late afternoon into the evening. But again, most of the day we will not see those raindrops. And this weekend, here's our weather pattern. We have a stationary front, meaning it doesn't move very much. It divides the cold air, and on the north side of the cold air, some potential ice problems tonight into tomorrow in northern New England. We'll see mild air, rain showers, and for the most part, these showers ride the stationary front and kind of stay away from us for at least today. Eventually, some of the showers will swing across southern New England. In fact, we can time that out going hour by hour. 8 o'clock this morning, some fog, clouds as we head into the afternoon, a mix of clouds and sun. And then this evening, 5 o'clock, notice most of the showers staying off to our north and west. But again, a few could clip us at times from the late afternoon into the evening. Better chance would be late tonight, say around midnight. You could see the chance of a few showers moving through. The clouds will be back, as will some fog. Then as we head into early tomorrow morning, clouds, fog, and the potential of some showers. You can see 8 o'clock in the morning, decent chance that will be putting down the raindrops at that point. And then even into tomorrow afternoon, the chance of those off and on rain showers continues. But here's the much bigger story. Notice what happens with our temperatures today. 55 up to 60 tomorrow, despite the cloud cover and the chance of those showers. So some very mild air works into southern New England. Now Monday becomes interesting. During the morning hours, some potential heavy rain. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s when we start out Monday morning, and then into the afternoon we'll taper things off to some showers, and then at night on the tail end of that weather system, potentially a brief round of snow. Now at this point there's only a chance of that happening, and probably not a big enough chance or big enough accumulations to really make it a white Christmas. Of course, on Christmas Eve we're at 34 degrees, so we really get a lot colder Monday night into Tuesday, but still unlikely that we'll have enough snow from that departing system Monday to have any snow stick around for a white Christmas. But there's a chance, so there's always a chance we could be dreaming of that white Christmas. Now on Wednesday, notice the temperatures really start to change. We're at 27 degrees. We are mostly sunny, and those dry skies at least will help anybody trying to travel to a loved one's house. And then as we go to the end of the week, notice our temperatures start to warm. I'm watching Friday. Right now, that does not look like a significant snowstorm or anything like that, but there's a chance we could see a mix of rain or snow. Again, too far out to really make any final calls on that, but certainly watching conditions for the end of the week. But in the meantime, I mean, we're talking mild temperatures today and mild temperatures tomorrow. Even tomorrow, Steve, don't get too fooled by those raindrops on the screen. It's not going to be raining the whole day. And what I think more people will be talking about will be the fact that many of those temperatures will be in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. But of course, we do eventually drop down just before Christmas, which I think people like. I think a lot of people don't mind it being cold as we go into Christmas Eve.
Specifically on that one day, I don't think people mind.
They don't.
Yeah.
And then once we get past Christmas, they're like, all right, bring back the 60s.
Yeah, those temperatures are all over the place.
They are very erratic.
Schizophrenic right there.
A very erratic 7-day Futurecast.
All right. Appreciate it, Pete. Thank you very much. We are covering New England this morning. Massachusetts